Hey everybody, we're going to talk about the quick release belt today on the 4.6 products. The quick release belt is a system that is actually not engineered or created by us. It is something that UL and the US Coast Guard effectively have told us every single piece that we have to use and how it has to be integrated. So we use a fixed lock buckle, as does all of our competitors. We use a stainless steel tri-glide as a strain relief. We have webbing, 2-inch webbing on ours. We could use 1.5 inches as an option, but we choose to go with 2-inch. And then a stainless ring that is an attachment point. So this whole system is nothing we've engineered, frankly, and has some flaws to it. Today I want to just show you quickly how to weave it properly. When weaving the QR belt, start underneath on this bottom hole, come through, then back through the top, and then through the buckle. One of the common mistakes that happens once this PFD has been sized for the person, you really don't want more than 6 inch of webbing because it wads up and tends to jam on release. So if this PFDs is your personal, cut it and leave no more than 6 inches of tail on it. Make sure that tail is laid flat, preferably tucked underneath, in this instance, this ops pocket, and it's laid flat there. Another common mistake is when people clip this buckle, they will catch this pull bob off to the side. You can get a false release if that is in that position. So make sure when you're loading it, it is completely clear of the buckle and off to the side. This system is designed and tested to hold 730 pounds, wet or dry, for 3 minutes without 3 inches of slippage. That is how we test the QR belt system. The product has some shortcomings. One of the things is if you have a very lightweight person, this much weaving through both of these makes it very difficult to get released unless you're in a very strong current. We had some conversations with UL and the Coast Guard about weaving at one time. And at one point we put that in the manual for people, say, under 150 pounds going straight back through this buckle. They adamantly told us we could not put that in our literature and asked us to remove it. And the reason is the system was failing at about 550 pounds, and that was unacceptable. They have one test and one test only, and that's 730 pounds, wet or dry, 3 minutes. It's up to individuals to make their decision on how they want to wear this belt, but you do need to know that when you weave it one time, it doesn't hold 730. But on a lighter person, there sure makes it easier to bail out of. So we leave that to individuals, but we're told that we have to tell you to weave it 2 times when weaving it. Do not weave it like this.